from our EV Craze. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம சென்னை ட்ரேட் சென்டர்ல இந்த EV Expo அப்படின்ற ஒரு கிராண்ட் எக்ஸ்போ நடக்குது. ஸோ இந்த எக்ஸ்போக்குள்ள போய் என்னென்ன இருக்கு எக்ஸ்போ பண்ணலாமா? கம் லெட்ஸ் கோ. So guys, this is our registration counters for the visitors. So once again, welcome you all to our grand EV show. Hello everyone, welcome to our EV Craze YouTube channel and this is your CP. So இப்போ நம்ம என்ன ஸ்டால்ல இருக்கோம் அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம ARK Empowering Lives அப்படின்ற ஸ்டால்ல தான் இருக்கும். ARK Empowering Lives. ஸோ ஸ்டாலுக்குள்ள வந்து குட்டி குட்டி மினியேச்சர்ஸ்ல ஒரு சூப்பராகவே ஒரு இதெல்லாம் பார்த்தாச்சு. அண்ட் அது மட்டும் இல்லாம நம்ம ARK Empowering Lives என்னென்ன ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் பண்றாங்க, அது EV இண்டஸ்ட்ரிக்கு எப்படி யூஸ்ஃபுல்னு பார்த்துடலாமா? Let's talk about exhibitive. Hi sir.
Hi.
May I know your good name please?
Radha Krishna.
Okay sir. So tell me about what this ARK Empowering Lives products are.
So ARK belongs to Kemka Group of Company, which have around 3,000 CR turnover. We are authorized distributors for Stratasys 3D printers as well as SLM solution. Along with that, we have varieties of products like in terms of like simulation and all, ANSYS solutions, all. So how our products will help in EV industry is, so when they have any idea or something in their EV industry, so that we can convert idea into end use product. So this helps in to create or give end feel. I'll give one example.
Yes sir.
So here you can see this part. So this part is a 3D printed part.
Okay.
So this is not, we are not utilizing any conventional molding or something. This will be entire. You can see here the texture, labeling, and this leather wheel. All it will be printed using within 1 or 2 days. Okay. So in conventional manufacturing, if you want to manufacture this, it takes preparation of the mold, then lot of post processing. At least I can say it took 3 to 6 months. So this, to get that end feel, how it will exactly look like, no? So we can do this kinds of prototypes and we can check if it is okay, the design is finalization, then they will go for regular production.
Okay.
So why 3D printing is so important in EV industry means EV, it is evolving now. So they want to manufacture different vehicles and new models and all those things to study the market. So they cannot go directly to the end product. Before that, they will do prototype and manufacture one set, and they will see how it exactly looks and all. Based on that, again they will go for regular production. And in this, we have different technologies. One is FDM, fused deposition modeling, and one more is polyjet, and another one is SAP, and one more is P3 technology. When it comes to the FDM parts, these are the parts. So it will get single color. So we can check assembly, we can check for prototypes, and we can use like jigs and fixers. So all these things will be done. In the FDM itself, we have a rubber-based material, whereas this is flexible, and this is about the FDM technology. And this part you can see, this is a vehicle differential mechanism. You can see this will be functional. So this in the heavy vehicles, especially in the like lorries or other these things, you can see one dome, the round side in the rear wheels. So this helps to transfer the power to both the wheels equally, which is generating from the engine. Whereas in case of EV, this will be connected to the motors. Okay, and that's about the FDM technology. We have a polyjet. In case of polyjet, here you can see this is the polyjet. This is the polyjet, and here we can manufacture multi-color, multi-materials in single shot.
What is the use of this polyjet, sir?
So this polyjet will be help to develop the prototypes which feels the real feel, which already I have shown this here. No, this is developed by polyjet technology. So like this part it will be, and like this transparent part.
Okay.
And one more thing, you can see this grips. So this handle grips you can hold and see. This is bit hard and this is very soft. So what are the softness we want? All these things can be manufactured in single shot. So that is the difference between the conventional manufacturing and 3D printing. And here you can see these parts are equal to the injection molded quality parts, so which helps to manufacture the parts up to 500 quantity to 5000. For example, they have started EV manufacturing vehicle, but they cannot invest much on a regular production line. In case of that, they can go for short production up to 500 quantity or 200, 300, whatever the quantity they want. They can assemble 10 to 15 vehicles and they can do the test run and all. Once the test run is done, no, then if it is finalized, it's okay, then they go for regular production. So like this, we have a different solution. And this is one SAF technology, this nylon based videos. You can see this kinds of impeller and all. So all this helps in developing prototypes and the concept models, functional testing. All these things can be done using 3D printing technology.
Okay, so guys,
Thank you.
this is inside complete. Okay, shall we see our major product?
Yeah, which one? This one. Yeah. So
This is the heart of our brain of all these.
yeah. So this is the printer where we load the raw material here, and that raw material will be have this head which has series of nozzles where the material will be dispensing drop by drop. Then we can get multicolor and multi-material products output.
So guys, this is the major product which creates all these technically developed 3D products. So it was literally like too amazing, because in those days it will take more than a month, week or so, more than a week. But now it was too short to be
Months
taking.
together it will take, whereas in 3D printing we can reduce that into days.
Yeah, so we just consisting the days, months into days. So these are the. It was literally like two good gadgets, but polygets, right?
Yeah, polygets.
Polygets. So everything was nice. So everything was made upon that machines too.
Here you can see like this parts, if we can replace this and we can make it as functional. So all these concept models and proof of concept, so that in case of that application it helps a lot.
Okay, sir. Okay. So everything was too fine and good. Our ARK empowering life was fine,
And
amazing.
yeah,
Literally.
and you can see this is the metal part, and you can see. So if they are looking for any metal solutions also, we have metal 3D printer where you can manufacture our metal parts.
So of course, I have to tell you that this is printing rubber material as well as metal, even though plastic. So types of materials have been just printing from our 3D machines. So every material was here, and it just took only of 3 days. So it was in olden days, but it was took a month. But our 3D machines now take just a days. So it was quite good for EV industries. So just tell me one thing: how our ARK empowering life will help in EV 4.0 industry?
Yeah. So in case of 3D printing, no, as I said, so every year if I want to manufacture any like custom design or something, especially EV is now it is booming. So many people are coming into the picture to develop their own EV vehicles. So during that time, if they want to go for regular production, it costs a lot and it takes a lot of time. So a lot of money is involved. So instead of that, here we can do the prototype and we can test and we can at least manufacture one vehicle. With the help of that vehicle, we can convince easily the fundraisers also. So they can raise the fund, and if any product is interested, there are financiers are there, they will come forward and they will invest, and your company also will grow. So like that, so many advantages. See, instead of, for example, assume any product, it is like just simply one color, or the product which gives end product looks and feel and everything. So which one will prefer? Obviously, which gives the end use parts, that only will prefer. So that can be done using 3D printing, and ARK have speciality in delivering all these things, and Stratasys is the inventor of this technology. So Stratasys is the inventor of this technology. We are partners with Stratasys and we are representing them, and so you just imagine if they have invented this technology means how much R&D and expertise in this field. So that is the reason, and each and every concept we are not just selling the machine or doing the services. We will understand their requirement and application. So based on their application and the requirement, which material is suitable, which technology is suitable, and how best we can serve, all these things can be done by ARK.
Okay, sir. Okay, so it was literally too good, guys, because in the growing EV industry, so 3D machines are literally more and more important for everyday life. Because evolving EV industry was require these types of products to improve their daily lifestyles. So I hope it was very useful, and thank you so much for
Thank
the
you.
nice talk, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, sir, kindly don't forget to subscribe our EV Craze channel
Sure, sure,
as well
definitely.
as YouTube, guys. Until then, signing off you from your TT. Thank you.